do apologize, but I can't come online. I'm not quite sure why. But hey, yeah, so today's going to be about getting organic traffic, how to capture leads organically, where we all need leads and sales. I am going to just show you one way how to capture organic leads just by using Facebook. Facebook is a place for highly target leads. Top marketers that doesn't teach you in this way. We all know that. Instead, they would just ask you to buy solo ads. But to be honest, solo ads is a little bit old now, and it doesn't work for getting leads. It only works for like one offer. That's it, and then it's gone. It's goodbye, isn't it? So basically, here's my Facebook anyway, and I go into groups, and then you just come here and then just have a look. So you can go into groups, just read it. Do you need to get permission for the buyer first, even if you put verify, something like that? But we don't need to go there. We can go into any group you like. So yeah, depends on what group you have. It's all about affiliate marketing and then finding leads. So I just go into digital faceless one. I'm just going to show you briefly, that's alright. All you need to do is just interact with all these comments and all that. I had a date wrong for the sales, so surprise, we actually have until midnight Eastern tonight. Use code. Okay, thank you. So just show some light there, that's all. But this is how I do it anyway. You see all the members here, yeah? It's 10,300, 10,003k members. So I'll just click on it and I'll just go into it and I'll just go down, have a look, and I'll just see who's got potential, and I'll just click on that and I'll just save that, and then I'll just click on that, I'll save that, open it up, and I'll just click on that and I'll save that. Okay, and I'll just get one more, or maybe one more, and that's it. Okay, and then we just go on to this one now. Hopefully it's recording, maybe not now. Hopefully it is recording now. Yeah, cool. Right, so this is what I do. I go into Camille Jacobs, yep, 275 friends. Click the profile page, organic traffic marketing. This is what I do. I look at the profile and I see what they're up to. Anyone ready to make extra money today? Highlight. So obviously, yeah, she's into the money making one, so we give her a like or care. Who's interested in making $15? Must have ID. I also pay $5 per referral. So, okay, we just say, sounds interesting. $5, so we just put down like again, that's fine. And then what we do, I don't add friend because the beauty of it is that when you like something, it will come back to you, but it's not well, so therefore she hasn't got any friend to show here, so that's fine. As I was looking for like organic traffic, and here we go again. We got one here which is unreliable recurring income from home, no more struggle. So obviously she's in our niche, and then she's into affiliate marketing, and she's selling digital or physical product. So leading my team, and yeah, and she's got 1.2k followers, and this is what she posted. really screwed up, trusted a stranger, maybe he got scammed or something. We're gonna say sorry about that. Alright, 6 months ago, I had just had started myself. This guy came to me asking for more info on what I was doing, like Miniverse. He had tried millions side hustle for you wanted something that was actually going to produce a consistent income result. If you put in the work, that's what he will want, right? He sat on the fence for 3 weeks before finally jumping in with me and couldn't be proud of him to even go rank. Oh well, that's pretty good news for him, huh? Just want to give a huge shout out to my team and you are struggling to online, but now with this, they're smashing it. So yeah, so obviously she is into our niche, so therefore it's worth having a look. But this is exactly how I build organic traffic by just going through these and then also like hitting on the followers, see who the people that she follows and all that. So you just go down and see exactly which one like the potential and looks like this one is into life good anyway, so that won't be good for us because we're in affiliate marketing. She's already is an affiliate, but she's in her own stuff though, so that won't be good for us. But yeah, this is how we do it. And welcome. If you want to learn more, just let me know or DM me, that's fine, or I can leave my link on the bottom. Okay, thank you. Talk to you later. Bye bye.